Hi there, I'm Christine with Grown Here Farms, and I wanted to take a few minutes to do a quick run through of our new product lines, our certified organic hemp flower for CBD and our DIY CBD oil kit. Now, we are a certified organic farm located in the southern Okanagan, BC, and our farm has been here for over 20 years. Our organic hemp is fully traceable with all of our COAs, terpene profiles, and pesticide tests available online, giving you and your customers full transparency on our product, including how it was grown, all of our field inputs, harvest process, and our testing. Customers can easily access this information using the QR code included in our DIY CBD oil kit or by visiting our website, diycbdoil.ca. Our certified organic CBD flower is a high CBD premium smokable grade hemp flower. This is a really great quality flower with an amazing terpene profile with notes of hops, pine, chamomile, and a bit of orange. It's about 2,800 milligrams of CBD per 30-gram bag, or 92.3 milligrams per gram, and only trace amounts of THC. We recommend it be used in our DIY kits to make at-home oils, tinctures, or edibles, but it's also a premium grade, so is a great smokable flower as well. The moisture content is about 10%, and we've priced this organic flower extremely competitively, as we want to give your customers value for their money. A premium flower with a high CBD content at an incredible price point. Now, our DIY CBD oil kit is really cool. This is for people who want to make their own CBD oils, bath bombs, tinctures, body creams, or edibles at home. It includes our super simple, no mess, no smell, 3-step DIY process, exclusive members only access to all of our training videos, live online CBD oil making events, dosage and potency calculators, reusable cheesecloth to strain their finished oil, a glass bottle with dosage calibrated dropper, and of course, some great little labels. And you might be asking yourself, why would anyone want to make their own CBD products at home? Well, there's lots of reasons. As most of you may or may not know, CBD oils are extracted typically using fossil fuels like ethanol or butane, and residues of these toxic chemicals remain in the finished CBD oil. And most growers are not transparent in their growing methods, many of them using nefarious and non-organic practices while growing their hemp. So customers have no idea where their flower came from, how it was grown or harvested, and what was in it. For those customers that care about the purity of their product, then our DIY process is for them. They can rest assured the only thing in their CBD oil is certified organic hemp and their binding oil, which we recommend using an organic MCT oil. People are using CBD for their health, and we feel it's really important that they get a pure, fully transparent product without chemical residues. And it's way cheaper to make your own CBD products at home. So we've priced our hemp flower really competitively. They'll save money on doing a DIY, especially if they're using the product regularly. It's a great way to save money, and it's really easy. Our simple 3-step process takes all the overwhelm away, and it's no mess, no smell. So what do your customers do when they purchase our kit from your store? It's really easy. They're going to also purchase either the CBD hemp flower, and then they're going to go home and then just use the QR code on the back of the box and included in the kit, which is going to give them access to our dashboard. And you'll see from here, your customers will have access to all of our video tutorials, online events they can register for. We do live CBD oil making events, all of our traceability documents, everything from CBD THC content, terpene profiles, microbial and pesticide tests, all of our certifications, our potency calculator, our dosage calculator, and then of course our Find Store Locator. And we even include a playlist of all the beautiful songs we play to our hemp plants while they're growing, so customers can access that here as well. So I hope this helps give you a broad strokes understanding of our products and what they're for. And thank you so much for taking the time to review this with me. Be sure to let us know how we can help you sell more products in store. Our success relies on yours, and we want to partner with our retail stores to make sure our products sell through quickly.